Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we will write 10 fundamental rights and responsibilities of a citizen. So let's start. First of all, fundamental rights of a citizen. First one is right to life and liberty. Second one is right to freedom of speech and expression. Third is right to equality. Fourth is right to religious freedom. Fifth is right to education. Sixth one is right to work. Seven is right to vote. Eight one is right to choose profession. Nine one is right to privacy. Last one is right to basic needs and public services. Now, fundamental responsibilities of a citizen. First one is obey the laws. Second is pay taxes honestly. Third is respect diversity. Fourth is vote honestly. Fifth is protect the environment. Sixth one is respect the Constitution. Seven is respect parents, teachers, and elders. Eighth one is serve the nation. Ninth is maintain peace and order. And the last one is avoid wasting resources. Thanks for watching.